table. So today I asked Jordan and Vivian to help me do something kind of special to celebrate Grace's birthday. I asked them each to make something from Angie's table so that we can gather at Grace's house, do a potluck together. So they're home doing their thing with cooking and recording themselves. It's gonna be kind of cool for me to watch what they do. And Grace is home right now, currently doing probably some kind of extra table setting. I don't know what she's doing, but we'll leave her to that. And so I'm going to be making 옛날 도시락. So we have our food ready now. We're gonna head to Grace's.
My name is Vivian. Today I'm going to be making Angie's chador bibimbap. So let's get started. Making the sauce the night before. These are the ingredients that are going to be used, and I have Angie's video. That's my guide in the background. So I'm starting the mixing now. Oops. So Angie said about like a quarter size. That might be a little more than that. Just adding that in. So we have 4 people today, so I'm adding 4 servings of this. So we'll see how everything comes together with the finished product. I'll see you guys later.
I don't know why I did that. I thought it'd make a cool transition, but it wasn't that cool. Okay guys, I'm trying to drink carrot juice to be healthy or whatever. All right, welcome to not Angie's table, but Jordan's table. I'm gonna be making some katsu sando. Was really inspired by Angie's video on it. You know, I was actually the one who suggested that she do something with katsu. So props to me, but you know, whatever. So let's take a look at the ingredients and get started. All right, I don't have a hammer. This is what I do. All right, my neighbors were really annoyed with me. So I kept the frying pan styled chicken tenderizing to a minimum. But that's how I tenderize the chicken, without a hammer. Okay guys, welcome back. I have a sous chef here.
Hey.
This is Diane. She's one of Grace's and Angie's friends, and my friend. This is a trick that I learned from Angie, actually, to see if the oil is hot enough. You take a little piece of the breadcrumb.
Oh, I learned that from you.
Yeah, I learned it from Angie. She's innovative. All right, and then you just drop it in the oil, and if it comes up real fast like that, that means the oil is hot enough.
I'm so excited for this. I feel like I would be bold on this alone. I know. That's not what like it feels. That's what she said, good job.
I literally took the whole, I just took the 2 slabs and just slapped it on there. I'm like, I have no time to make this pretty. And it took me a long time.
Good job, everyone.
Should I break this down?
Yeah.
This doesn't match what we're eating. I feel like we need soju. Or makgeolli.
Everything's Korean.
Makgeolli is good.
Want to try makgeolli?
You have makgeolli?
Oh,
So I got it. The plate.
Oh, is your battery? The warranty cover it?
Yeah.
it's good, but it's quite strong.
It is.
It's called takju.
I thought that we all did Asian.
Wow, I'm gonna get drunk.
That is really strong.
Oh my gosh.
What is this?
Organic rice. Huh?
You have it on camera now.
Nice.
Ooh.
Nice, so much.
Wow. Every sip.
Birthday present! Oh. Wow. What did she send you?
It's the beans.
Is it potatoes?
Yeah, it has to be.
Oh my god, it's the potatoes.
Yeah, she sent me potatoes.
Wow.
Emily!
And where do we decide to go? So Grace, happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy the last year of your 20s.
Happy birthday, Grace. I hope you have a great day today. Obviously, we should celebrate with some drinks, and I really hope that you like that we prepared this fun lunch for you. See you soon. You know, get your coupe glasses ready so that we can celebrate. All right, bye.
Grace, happy birthday. Love you so much. I'm super excited to spend the day with you, and I will see you soon.